SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to add screen record on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to record the screen on your iPhone, then you can do so by tapping a button in the control center. However, that button may not always be there, which means that you might need to add it. So you can add the screen record button to your iPhone's control center by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the Control Center option. You can then scroll down again and find the Screen Recording button in the bottom section. Now you just need to tap that green plus to the left of it, and then if you scroll up, you'll see that it's in the Included Controls section, which means that it's in the Control Center. So if you swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, you're going to see this little circle with another circle inside of it, and then you can tap that to start a screen recording on your device.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.